So this is a June 22nd analysis of the DXY chart. As you can see, we have opened up on Monday, Tuesday, typically being high of the week due to swing, which saw us closing really down below the fair value gap's mean threshold, which is roughly here. And obviously today we had a huge move down, targeting the previous weekly low, which we should easily get tomorrow. And after that, my eyes are going here on this fair value gap, and also there's a small volume imbalance, but we can focus on this more because this is more recent. And then of course you have this this order block as well. Okay, dropping down into a 1 hour, I will be expecting something where I want to see the Asian range try to bring us back inside of this Wednesday's range here. Okay, and we see a premium open in London. Okay, 22nd of June. Okay, in terms of news, this is the heaviest day of the week with news. Okay, 1:30 jobless data and claims are coming out. 3 p.m. there's some more news coming out. I think that's going to be the key driver, as it normally is, to drive price into the intended objectives, which being previous weekly low slash a old week daily fair value gap. And these are my annotations so far. So this was a balanced. This was an old fair value gap. So was this. We traded away from them. There's a big breaker here as well to consider. But we're not seeing that as a context of, okay, it's going to go high. Okay, it's more of a case of it's actually going to go lower. Okay, and there's a monthly low. We may get there. We might need time to get there though, I think. If I just transpose the same analysis on the Euro USD chart, it's literally the mirror image, okay? Where our weekly low this time, so let me just quickly go back here. So for this one, weekly low was on the 16th of June, okay? There's a different weekly low, okay, here that we're considering. It's this one, 8th of May, which here isn't really a factor. Well, no, actually it is, but it's like the monthly low almost here, okay? So it's more about the fair value gap here, whereas on the Euro, it's actually not the fair value gap more, it's actually about the weekly high, okay? So again, same story here, dropping down into 1 hour. Discount open, might see us trade down into the order block here, fair value gap maybe, and old order blocks there as well. Maybe a breaker here, but that seems kind of unlikely for us to trace all the way back, unless we already opened in a discount with Asian range, okay? And of course, expectation is to head up here. Pound dollar, beautiful run today. Old fair value gap, auto block, another weekly fair value gap. As you can see, time, boom. Okay, that was a easy trade. Tomorrow, same expectation, aiming at this weekly high, okay? So that's the analysis for cable, fiber, and dollar.